Hey guys, you're welcome again, and this is also the last lesson we're going to be doing on market structure, and this is just to show you how to blend time frames with market structure, especially when you are trading the higher time frame market structure. How do you now refine your higher time frame market structure into a lower time frame market structure? That's what I'm about to show you. All right, so we mentioned that we have two market structure, bullish or bearish market structure, and we had mentioned that in a bullish market structure, price would form higher highs. All right, higher highs. What's the next thing we anticipate to see price do after it forms a higher high? All right, we would like to see price form a new higher low in a bullish market structure. So that means if we see this on the daily time frame, what this means is that we have a bullish expansion, bearish retracement in a bullish market structure, bullish expansion, that impulse swing, all right, is usually the bullish expansion that forms the structural high. Then that bearish retracement is usually, you'll notice that the retracements are smaller price movements. All right, the expansions are usually large range, so it forms a structural high. It tells you that we are actually in a bullish market structure. Then the retracement will be shallow or mild. All right, so however, if we see this on the daily time frame, if we have a structure on the daily time frame, bullish market structure on the daily time frame, as price is retracing here, we are going to see shift of market structure on a lower time frame like the 1 hour. So price is about to start retracing here. How do we know that price is about to start retracing? When we see shift of market structure on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so while this is happening on the 1 hour time frame, we'll start to see price from lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. All right, all of this structure, bearish market structure on the 1 hour, is actually one retracement on the daily time frame. This is where most people get it wrong. When they see a bearish retracement on the 1 hour time frame, a bearish structure on the 1 hour time frame, they now start to think that the market is bearish overall. However, on the daily time frame is a bullish market structure. All right, but because price is fractal, okay, even though the higher time frames are the main driver of price action, main drivers of liquidity, these things form from a lower time frame and they take the form of the higher time frame structure, okay, or order flow. So we have a bullish expansion, bearish retracement. Price is retracing on the daily time frame. On the 1 hour, price is in a bearish market structure, forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. As price approaches that level of retracement and is about to start going up, that means the new expansion is about to take off to form a new higher high. How do we know this is going to happen? We would see price form shift of market structure on the 1 hour, and price will start to form higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Meanwhile, on the daily time frame, this might just be one bullish expansion to form the higher high of the daily time frame. Okay, I hope that this makes sense. Then in a bearish market structure where price would form lower low, then price would form lower high. On the 1 hour time frame, we would see that this lower high retracement is actually a shift of market structure, and then price will start forming bullish market structure, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. While on the daily, it's just a bullish retracement in a bearish market structure. As price reaches a level and wants to continue with its bearish market structure on the daily to form a new lower low, we would see this guy form, all right, shift of market structure, and price will start forming bearish market structure on the 1 hour. That means lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You will notice that it will be too many, all right, lower low, lower high on the 1 hour, while on the daily it's clean and straight. It is simply because price action is actually fractal. Price is fractal. Like I explained, whatever you see on the daily time frame, you can see it on any other time frame, but you have to understand how these things are forming and why they are doing the things they are doing on different time frames, and how you respond to them on each of those time frames really matters a lot. All right, so let me show you just one example, and I'm going to leave you with that. So this was a market condition where you see price action formed a bullish market structure right here. All right, why? Because we see price give us a shift of market structure. The candle body had closed above the previous high here and the previous high right here. All right, so price has closed above all of those highs. Then a retracement happened into this level. Okay, so we're going to observe and see on the lower time frame. On the lower time frames, that retracement from here, how does it look like on a lower time frame like the 1 hour or 30 minutes? What does that look like on the 1 hour or 30 minutes? Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. Notice that price, after price had traded into that level, what do you see on the 1 hour time frame? All right, on the 1 hour we see price forming higher high, then all of a sudden we see price close below the previous higher low that was formed here. That was a shift of market structure. Okay, you see that price formed higher high here, then price closed below that. The candle body, when I say price, I'm referring to the candles please. The candle body closed below the previous high, the previous higher low here, not high, the previous higher low here. The candle body closed below the previous higher low here. It tells us that we have changed from bullish to bearish market conditions. So what do you see? Price started to form lower high, lower low, lower high. You see that on the 1 hour, lower low. You see that price kept forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, until the retracement was over. Meanwhile, on the daily time frame, again, let me show you. On the daily time frame, all of that bearish retracement was just simple retracement without shift of market structure on the daily time frame. It was a simple repricing into the internal range of the daily time frame, because for every new expansion that forms a higher high, we would see a retracement into the internal range to form the next higher low. All right, you would pardon me for some of the things I'm mentioning. There's really many things you do not possibly know about. Okay, so but you understand what that what that looks like, because I just showed you. Okay, you understand how it looks like when you're in a bullish market structure on the daily and price is about to retrace. That retracement would be an entire market structure on the lower time frame, the 1 hour, okay, or 30 minutes. But I just told you these time frames you should be looking at. If you have a structure on the daily and price is about to retrace on the 1 hour, that is going to be an entire structure that will form. Okay, then if you have a bearish market, a bullish market scenario, or a bearish market scenario on the daily time frame. Okay, so 75 here. Yeah, so this was that retracement that you see, that retracement here. All of this retracement was an entire bearish market structure on the 1 hour. Okay, so at the time price got to its retracement level, the discount level, before price started to buy right here, we're going to see on the 1 hour what that looks like. You can see the bullish expansion was clean on the daily time frame, but on the 1 hour, let's see what that looks like. On the 1 hour, all of that was also an entire market structure. Okay, so you can see price traded into that lower low. You can see that price could not take out the previous low. That means there is exhaustion of this bearish momentum. Then what do you have? Shift of market structure, bullish, because the candle body had closed above the previous high. So we are now in a bullish market condition, and price started to form higher low, higher high, higher low. You see that? Price is forming higher high, higher low on the 1 hour, higher high. You see that? All of this on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so that's how to confluence, that's how to study market structure from the daily time frame and the lower time frames. If you see a structure on the weekly time frame, you are going to see this on the 4-hour time frame. That means if you have a retracement coming on the weekly time frame, on the 4-hour time frame you'll see an entire structure created. If you see this on the 1 hour, on the daily time frame, go down to the 1 hour time frame, you'll see an entire structure that confirms where price action is going. Until next time, wish you good luck. See you in the next video. Stay safe.